In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the background and appearance settings inside the DuckDuckGo browser. If you want your browser to look a little more personalized, for example, with a picture of a video game you love, a family photo, beautiful picture of a beach, anything you would like to. DuckDuckGo includes a built-in customization options that are very easy to change. Let's go ahead and set everything up. Start by opening the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer. Once the browser launches, look toward the top corner of the screen for the menu icon. Click on it to open the browser menu. From here, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the Appearance section. Depending on your browser version, you may see options related to themes, colors, backgrounds, or overall browser appearance. Click on the available customization settings. You can usually switch between light mode and dark mode too if you would like to. Some versions may also allow accent color changes or homepage appearance adjustments. Try selecting different themes to see which one looks best for you. Now let's choose a picture for our background. Click Customize Background. As you can see, I have two images already, but let's delete them so you can see it right from the start. Click on any of the empty spaces. Then choose a picture you have on your computer. You can have multiple pictures loaded here that you can select easily based on your preferences. After making your changes, the browser should automatically save your settings. There's no need to manually click a Save button in most cases. You can now close the Settings page and continue browsing with your updated appearance. Customizing your browser can make it feel cleaner and more visually comfortable depending on your preferences. Dark mode is especially useful if you browse at night or want to reduce eye strain, and that's basically all you need to do. You've successfully customized the background and appearance settings in DuckDuckGo browser. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more browser tutorials, software guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.